Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn Suites, Lexington Berea. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Located off the Interstate 75, Fairfield Inn offers modern accommodations adjacent to Berea College. It features an indoor pool with hot tub, a fitness center and laundry facilities. Equipped with free internet access, rooms at Fairfield Inn Suites, Lexington Berea also include TVs with cable channels. Each room comes furnished with a well-lit work desk, ironing facilities and a bathroom with hairdryer. Guests can enjoy a continental breakfast at the hotel's cafe, while vending machines provide refreshments 24/7. Many local eateries are on Main Street, on the way to Berea's college campus. Popular nearby attractions include Renfro Valley, home of Kentucky Country Music Hall of Fame. Berea College Forest is a 10-minute drive from the Fairfield Inn Suites. Free parking is available on site. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.